Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to share my Saturday morning makes with you all, hosted by Jill Norwood. Um, so I sat here thinking what I wanted to make for Saturday morning, and my husband told me I needed to make some gift card holders, and I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. I make different kinds of gift card holders for his nieces and nephew every year, so I had to figure out an easy and simple version of that. So let me share what I created, or let me share what I used for the gift card holders. I used this paper pad from Hobby Lobby. I used the Lily of the Valley stamps. I used this Martha Stewart punch to punch these out. And then I used this, what is that? Snowflake punch from EK Success. And I used some reindeer's veneers from my stash. I think I got this pack from Target, I want to say. That's where I think I got it. So let me share what I created. Very simple gift card holders. It measures 3.5 by 4. Let me untie this one so you can see what it looks like inside. Oh my gosh, I just made a knot. No, I didn't. Ha ha ha. And then you put your card. Oopsie. Let's just say this is a card. This is a gift card holder, but I think I've used that one year. And then you just add it to your. I think I'll put, who it's for and, who it's from. Oh, excuse my finger. So very simple, simple. Punched out white cardstock, heat embossed the stamp from All of Us. Here is I just glued the deer on there. I love the deer and the plaid together. I don't know what it kind of makes it a little rustic. That's why I use a twine to tie it versus a ribbon. I thought it kind of went well. And then I used this one. And then these two are just the same. So I used 4 gift card holders for gift cards. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Also, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Boy, I can't believe 2021 is soon to be over and 2022 is on its way. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.